Hello everyone and welcome back to the new tutorial about the Arduino. In this tutorial we are going to learn about the Arduino IDE, like which are the important features. So in this video I am not going to cover all the features of the Arduino IDE, but I will tell you the features that are important for you to know to get started with the Arduino IDE, and about the other special features we will learn as we go in the tutorial series. So first of all, when you open the Arduino IDE, it will create a blank sketch for you like this. So here, this white area is your text area where you write your code. On the top left side here, you will find the menu bar. So here you will find the file, edit, sketch, tools, and help menus. Below that here, you will find the verify button, which is also called as compile button. So when you click on this button, it will check your code for any syntax errors, and if the code is correct, it will show you like compilation completed or compiled successfully. Then we have the upload button. So if you click on the upload button, it will compile your code again, and it will then, if the code is correct, it will upload it to your board. Next we have the new button. If you click on that, it will create a new sketch for you. So basically in Arduino, whatever the script or code we write, we call it as sketch. Next is the open button. So if you click on that, it will show you all codes in your sketchbook. So you can select any code to open. Next is the save button. So if you want to save your sketch or code, you can click on this button. Next, if you go to file, here you will find the new button or the new command. If you click on that, it will create a new sketch for you. If you select the open, it will open the open window in your sketchbook. Next, we have the open recent, which will open the recent sketches on which you had recently worked. Then here is the sketchbook. So sketchbook is the folder where you store your own codes that you write. Next is the examples menu. So here you will find some pre-written examples. Like if you go to basic, you will find the blink code. So these are some basic examples. So we'll see about them in detail in our coming videos. Then we have another important commands like close, save as, page setup, print, etc. Here, if you go to preferences, here it will show you few preference settings that you need to check. So here is your sketchbook location like C users, Kunal / OneDrive or whatever it is. So if you want, you can modify it by clicking on the browse button. But for now, I will keep it as it is. Then here you can set the editor language, the font size, the interface scale, the theme, and many other options. But here you can see we have a option like verify code after upload. So if you don't want to compile your code after you click on the upload button, you can uncheck this. Again, here is the checkbox to check for updates on startup. So I will keep it as checked. And also you can see here, if you want to install any external or additional boards in your Arduino Nano, you can put their URLs here. We will see this in next videos. Now I will click on OK. Next we have the edit menu. So if you go here, you will find various commands like indent, increase the indent, decrease the indent, again some commands for copy, go to line, etc. And here you can see the shortcut associated with them. Here you can click on this increase font size button to increase the font size. Alternatively, you can hold the control key on your keyboard and you can scroll the mouse wheel to increase and decrease the font size. So this is the all. If you want to find something in your code, you can press Ctrl F. So here it will help you to find some keyword in your sketch. Next we have the sketch menu. So here you can see we have the same menu like verify, upload using programmer, export compiled binary. So this we will see in our next videos. But here which we have important is the include library. So if you want to include any library to your sketch, you can click on include library. And suppose if I want to include the Ethernet library, I select it and the library will get included in your code. So that's all about the sketch. Then if you go to tools, Here there are different menus, but I'm not going to cover all. But the one we have the important is the manage libraries. So if you click on that, it will open the manage libraries menu. So it will open the library manager window. So here you can see all the installed libraries on your computer like this. Or if you go to type and select all, it will show you all the libraries available for download. So from here, you can install any library you need for your solution or your project. Also here, you can type for any library if you want to install. And when you click enter, it will show you all the libraries associated with this keyword. For now, I will close this window. Next, we go to tools. You will find the menu to launch serial monitor, the serial plotter. We will see them in next video. Next, we have the boards. Here, if you hover over it, it will show you the list of all available boards. From here, you can select your board you want to program. For now, I will select the Arduino Nano. Then here, if applicable, it will show you to select the processor. So you can select the processor your board have. Next, you can select the port where your Arduino is connected. So for now, I have nothing connected here, so it will show it as grayed out. Otherwise, it will show you the COM ports where your board is connected. There are other commands here as well, which we will look in our next tutorials. So this was all about the menu bar. If you want any help, you can go to help and you can get the help related to the Arduino IDE. So again, on the right side here, you will find the button to launch your serial monitor. Right now, I have nothing connected to my computer, so it will not launch the serial monitor. Here on the bottom side, here you will see the logs or whatever the actions you have done. So if you click on the verify button, it will show you like compiling sketch, and on the right side, it will show you the status like this. And when if you face any errors or any issues when you compile the code, it will show you in this black area, which is the terminal of the Arduino IDE. So you can see the sketch is now compiled and it shows how much size the program takes and any other logs. On the bottom right corner here, you will see which board you have selected, what it is processor, and on which port it is connected. So this is all about the Arduino IDE. In our next tutorials, we will program the Arduino boards using the Arduino IDE. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Thank you so much.